If I were to commute naman, abutin ako ng 1.5 pero medyo may kamahalan pa din siya. So, ayun, malaki din talaga yung natipid ko.
Hello ma'am, my name is JR Fernandez from e-Scootery. Kamusta po ang unit natin ma'am simula po nung nag-avail po sila sa e-Scootery?
Hi JR, my name is Ju, and recently I purchased an e-bike from e-Scootery Manila located at Sierra Valley, Taytay. Yung unit na pinurchase ko is Garo version 2 which was produced by Yonsland. Ayun, so far okay naman yung e-bike, very smooth yung biyahe ko going back and fro sa bahay namin, coming to work, okay siya as a service vehicle.
Ano po yung difference ma'am simula nung wala po kayong e-bike at nagkaroon po kayo ng electric bike po ma'am?
Actually, before ako magka-e-bike, ang gamit ko talaga na mode of transportation is yung kotse. So, every 2 weeks, nagpapagas ako about 2,500 to 3,000 dahil sa presyo ng gas ngayon. Kahit nasabihin natin yung layo ng bahay ko from where I work, around 15 minutes lang siya. If every 2 weeks, nagpapagas ako ng 2,500, gumagastos ako ng 5,000, mga ganun.
Simula po nung nagka-e-bike po kayo ma'am, gaano po kalaki yung natipid nyo compare dun sa nagkukotse kayo at nagkukommute po kayo ma'am?
Well, 5,000 kasi hindi ako nagpapagas, so hindi ako nagdadala ng, yun yung advantage with e-bike. Sinacharge ko lang siya, hindi ko siya kailangan paggasan. And another good thing is hindi ko siya kailangan i-maintain. Hindi siya kasing gastos ng sasakyan.
Yun po. So, yung e-bike ma'am is nagagamit nyo ma'am sa trabaho nyo po? Everyday ma'am, no? Tama po.
That's right. Everyday ko siya nagagamit sa work, tsaka kapag meron akong errands na nearby lang, na hindi naman necessarily kailangan pumunta sa mga national highways, naka-e-bike ako, which is ang laking tipid din kasi from where I live, around 60 pesos to 100 pesos yung tricycle na papunta lang.
Kamusta naman po ang ano ng scootery natin ma'am sa mismong office? Service?
Yung service ng e-scootery.
Yes ma'am.
Joke. So far, very accommodating and very friendly yung mga staff sa e-scooter and very considerate sila. Because honestly, when I had my e-bike delivered, parang mga magta 10 PM na ata yun. So that's already beyond office hours. Pero still, sinerve pa din nila and dineliver pa din nila yung e-bike.
Ayun ma'am, ano po yung pwede nyo masabi sa mga ibang tao na nagdadalawang isip about gumamit sila ng e-bike?
Ayun, ako honestly, ako mismo nagdalawang isip din ako when I was about to purchase an e-bike. Or I was thinking whether to purchase an e-bike or yung actual motorcycle. And okay lang na magdalawang isip, mangamba, kasi syempre maglalabas tayo ng malaking pera. But the good thing about having an e-bike is mabilis yung balik sa'yo ng pera. Kumbaga malaking tipid siya sa'yo eh. Kasi if you buy an actual motorcycle, instead of having an e-bike, gagastos ka sa maintenance, gagastos ka sa gas. Although yung registration kasi eventually magiging fully implemented na din yung e-bike when it comes to registration. Pero it's not a huge factor din. Hindi siya malaking chunk ng money mo yung mababawas. So with having an e-bike, of course safety measures as well. Meron siyang specific lang na maitatakbo niya. Like what I purchased, hanggang 40 to 55 kilometers lang. I'd like to believe na safe ako riding the motorcycle kasi hindi ko kailangang humarurot or makipag-unahan sa iba. Kumbaga chill ride lang siya. And of course, always consider kung sino yung manufacturers, anong brand yung bibilhin nyo na e-bike, and also yung distributor. Always find yung merong service na that goes beyond what they actually offer in the media. So, katulad ng e-Scootery Manila, I really highly recommend yung e-Scootery. They're very hands-on with their clients, and yung mga inquiries, diba, they really attend to that.
May gusto pa po kayong idagdag ma'am?
Actually, yung ka-work ko, na-encourage ko din siya. So, dalawa na kaming naka-e-scooter. So, it took only a while to convince her na mag-e-scooter na rin siya. Kasi ang ginagawa niya before is nag-aangkas siya. Or nagbo-book siya ng ano.
So, magkano ma'am ang natitipid every month ma'am? Simula nung nag-e-bike po kayo ma'am?
5,000. Pag angkas siya, going to her place, 200 papunta, 200 pa uwi. So, actually, it's more than 5,000. So, mabilis ko din siyang na-convince. And at the same time, syempre, yung time niya mas na-manage siya ng maayos.
Yan. Yan lang po ma'am. Thank you po and God bless po ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you po.